Hello everyone, I am here to show you how to install Engage onto your Pico device. The first thing we'll need to do is to enable developer mode. So we'll want to, in our Pico headset, go to the settings menu. Then on the rightmost side, we'll select the advanced settings options. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see system, you'll want to give that a click, then developer options. Finally, we'll scroll down to where you'll see USB debugging, and we want to select OK on that, turn that on, and we want to allow USB debugging, so select OK. The next thing is to head to our website, engagevr.io, and download the Engage Android installer, as you can see here. That'll come down in a couple of seconds, and then we'll want to give that a run. It's a very simple installation wizard, so you just give it a click. Hit next so we install for all users. Then we want to absolutely hit yes to allow it to make changes and install. And then we want to grab our headset and a USB-C cable, because that next thing we'll need to do is plug our headset in once the Android installer is running. So you'll see here we have our Android installer going. Next, we'll need to have a look in our headset to allow USB debugging from the computer once more. I recommend hitting always allow from this computer as well, as it just saves time if you're installing again or needing to add or change files. Perfect, and now we're back in the Android installer. You can see here at the top it's read our headset, the Pico G2 4K, battery 75 on the right hand side there, and it's charging. So we'll want to select automatic install, Pico G2, or the Pico devices, they all use the same build, and then select install. And this will just take a minute or two to run through. Perfect, and there we're done. Now we just need to go into our Pico, select Engage, and allow the permissions. And there we go, nice and simple. We've installed Engage onto our Pico device, and here it's running. I hope this was helpful, and thank you very much.